Perth and Kinross Council is pleased to present the new 5-year local housing strategy, covering the period 2022 to 2027. Housing plays a vital role in meeting the needs of local people, communities, and the economy. Giving people the right housing for them, in the right place, and at the right cost, vastly improves their life chances. Our new local housing strategy sets out the strategic vision, policies and plans that will enable the Council and our partners to deliver high-quality housing and services to meet the needs of local people. It also sets out the important contribution housing makes to improving health and well-being, creating connected and sustainable places, reducing climate change, supporting economic growth, and reducing poverty across Perth and Kinross, playing an important part in the development of the Perth and Kinross offer. The new local housing strategy builds on the progress of the local housing strategy for 2016 to 2021. It's a strategy for different types of housing, with a focus on all housing market areas in Perth and Kinross, and will sit at the heart of all housing planning and activities in Perth and Kinross for the next 5 years. It is an ambitious strategy, setting out what homes and communities should look and feel like over the next 5 years. This includes delivering more homes, creating livable and sustainable places that are well designed, safe and connected, providing access to suitable, affordable and energy-efficient housing options for all, ensuring that homes meet people's individual needs and are well connected to local services, jobs and communities. The Local Housing Strategy 2022-27 is the result of close partnership working and consultation with local and national housing stakeholders, communities and partner organizations over the last 2 years. Their views have helped influence the development of priorities and outcomes, which will enable the Council and partners to deliver high-quality housing and housing services to meet the needs of local people in all types of housing. Our local housing strategy vision for 2022-27, co-produced with partners and stakeholders, is: everyone in Perth and Kinross has access to the right home, in the right place, at the right cost. To achieve this vision and realize our wider ambitions, 4 local housing strategy priorities have been defined. Priority 1: providing more affordable homes to support livable and sustainable communities. This is what we will do to achieve this. Maximizing the development of social housing, delivering a diverse mix of property sizes and more accessible, adaptable homes. Seeking opportunities to deliver a wider range of affordable housing options, such as low-cost home ownership and affordable self-build across Perth and Kinross, and including rural areas and community-led projects. Developing an empty homes strategy, to bring empty properties back into use in areas where there is pressure on housing. Generating more homes through brownfield development. Priority 2: providing a range of housing options that people can easily access, afford and keep. This is what we will do to achieve this. Continuing to develop and improve tailored debt advice and welfare assistance to households, maximizing financial inclusion. Developing a range of housing options that achieve a better match of households to homes. Increasing engagement with private landlords to increase awareness of funding options available to them. Improving and developing our sector-leading home-first approach to tackling homelessness. Continuing our work with partners to offer housing and support to refugees and asylum seekers. Priority 3: delivering homes for people with varying needs. This is what we will do to achieve this. Ensuring that planning policy, placemaking, and housing investment contribute to improved and sustainable homes, outdoor space, health, and well-being for people with varying needs. More effective prioritization and promotion of occupational therapy to support property adaptations for all types of housing. Working in partnership to ensure future housing developments address barriers to employment and linked to transport and childcare provision, with a focus on areas of deprivation and rural communities. Ensuring that a minimum of 10% of all affordable homes are built to be wheelchair accessible and adaptable. Continuing to work collaboratively to promote the benefits and increase awareness of technology within a housing setting. Priority 4, delivering quality homes with affordable warmth, zero emissions and smart technology. This is what we will do to achieve this. Supporting the implementation of the Perth and Kinross local heat and energy efficiency strategy. Developing pilot projects that incorporate net zero planning across different housing sectors, including the retrofitting of energy-efficient heating and technology. Expanding the capacity of local energy and fuel poverty advice services, and improving the availability of information. Facilitating the rollout of low-cost, high-speed broadband into social housing in partnership with the private sector. Working with the Scottish Government and other agencies to improve digital infrastructure, particularly in rural communities. This is just a flavour of what is included in the new local housing strategy for 2022-27. As we continue our recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic and deal with increasing cost of living pressures, the local housing strategy will play an increasingly significant role in supporting inclusive growth and tackling inequality across our communities. Thank you for watching.